Hello friends, welcome you all. So the topic for today's video is MS Outlook. What is MS Outlook? MS Outlook is basically the personal information manager software, and that is a part of MS Office Suite. Likewise, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. It comes along with MS Office Suite, and it is a kind of email service provider. Likewise, our Gmail. So, what is the difference between MS Outlook and Gmail is it's a kind of email client's version, and also it is a kind of webmail version when it comes up to the MS Outlook. But our Gmail is only a webmail version. Though security point of view, both are good, and there are many similarities also. But nowadays, mostly on professional level, MS Outlook have been used most in comparison to other email service providers. And this MS Outlook can manage our email. This can manage calendar. This can manage task, note, web browsing, etc. All those things this can manage. So how can we find it? Like as it comes as a part of our MS Office suite, so what can we do? We simply can type Outlook in our search bar, and we can see the Outlook over there, and simply open it. When you open it, so we can see, we just click on inbox. We can see that there is a navigation pane, and there is a email pane, and there is a reading pane. There are three panes basically, and this first one is called the navigation pane, second one is called the email pane, and the third one is called the reading pane basically. So here our emails will come, and the draft section we can save our emails and send me items. So whatever mails we are sending, those will saved over here in sent items. Deleted items, whatever we delete goes here. And junk email, if we want some email not to come again in our email section, then we put those emails to junk email section, so those emails will never come again. And here we have important icons. First icon is generally the email, and second is our calendar, and third one is the contact. If we want to add on few more, we simply can add by clicking over here and just go to navigation option. And here, as there are basically four. Okay, I will show you once again what the fourth one is. Let's stretch it a little bit more. You can see there are four items, 1 2 3 4. And if we want, we just can add more. If we want to do it 5, we simply can write here 5 and okay, so it will add on one more. And if we want to go navigation option, and we want to do it 3, let's say I want to do it 3, so say okay, so it will show us only 3. So by stretching from here, we can narrow this navigation pane, or we can make it broader more. And also from here, if we do click here, it can hide, and again clicking, it can expand it again and just pin it. So it will be looking like that. And how can we read our emails over here? For that, I will take you to the Google. Here, let's go here, and if you search for Outlook, not just Outlook logo, you simply can look for Outlook, and you simply can see there this website. If you open it here, go down, and you can see this window. Here, this is the navigation pane. You can see different sections for inbox, drafts, sent items, and deleted. This will come on this page, and this pane. And here in the second pane, for the reading pane, you can see there are all the emails will be there. And if you want to read one email, if you click that email, that in the reading pane, that email will open over there in a broader view. So that's how our Outlook will be looking in our reading section, and the email section. So after that, the important thing over here is, let's go to the calendar first. The calendar, this is the calendar that is the main part of our Outlook. And here the view is basically that has been selected now is month. We can have week look, we can have work week look, we can have day look too. So that's how we can change the look of our calendar over here. And let's say that I have the week look. So that week look will be from Sunday to Saturday, and we can do our we can assign our tasks over here, or appointment, or we can put the meeting dates over here in our calendar point in our calendar. And though it is a one calendar only, if you want to add on more calendars, so what we can do, we go to new calendar section and just simply say let's we have a workout calendar. So just workout calendar and click. So it will be having one more calendar, and if you want to add one more, then we can just simply go there, new calendar, and we can say the homework calendar. Let's say homework calendar. So just click and it will be like homework calendar. So we can have different calendars, whichever we will be going to choose, it will show that only. Like here we selected all the three, so all three calendars have different color, and all three been selected, that's why it's showing us all the three calendars over there. So if I deselect this homework and calendar, so I can just see the workout calendar. How can we check this on this taskbar? We can see that the workout calendar workout is now enabled. And if I deselect this one and I select calendar, so just simply can check calendar written over there. So that's how we can identify. Let's select the third one. You can simply see the green is this homework calendar now. So we do not need these two calendars. Simply we can do delete also. Just delete the calendar. Yes, we want to delete that is workout calendar. Okay, let's delete the calendar and we can delete it. So that's how we can add and delete the calendars. Now another thing comes, that this is the work look. Let's say I want to have some meeting schedule over here. So I double click that section. Let me do it once again. I want to have a meeting selection over here. I double click this section, and what I need to do, subject. Let's say subject is what, some client meeting. Let's say I have client meeting, and in this client meeting the location is what location, where we are going to have the meeting. Generally for the online meeting we choose Webex or Skype meeting, so we can simply have the add-ins for those things. Like for Skype meeting, I just simply can click here and it will be selected as a location. But right now it is not enabled. If I click here, it is not enabled, so it won't get add-in, and I just simply wanna type it here, Skype meeting. We need the remember that we need this add-in enabled, then only it will choose the location as a Skype meeting. And what else I want to do here, that okay, start time. I want a meeting on this date, and starting by 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. Let's say 9:30 a.m. when I want a half an hour meeting. So what I'll be doing, I just selected all these things, and if I want to insert some picture, or I want to write down some text like meeting online, so I just simply can type over here, or anything important that is I want to mention, I can type that important stuff over here. So that's how I can schedule appointment for myself, and I just simply can say save it. So after that, if I close this window, you can see this meeting have been scheduled in my calendar over here. And after that, let's say if on another day like Wednesday, I just want to click some other timing. I clicking this time, and I just again want to say that it is a client meeting, and this client meeting is also, let's say it is now Webex over here, and I want to do some text that it is important meeting, and other than okay, important meeting, and other than that I can select it from here also, high importance, low importance. So if I select high importance, this will always be over there in my meeting schedule, that this meeting is with a high importance. Other than that, what I can do over here, you see this show as it's busy, or tentative, or out of office, or free. This all will show your status on your on your Outlook schedule. So we just simply put on busy over here, and it's like a reminder how after before that appointment, how early you want to remind yourself that the meeting will be there. So you simply can have 15 minute or 10 minute, 5 minute, depending on when you want to remind yourself. So you can have meeting notes over there if you want to put. And uh, other than that, here what can we do, as if this meeting is going to happen every day, or every day or once in a week. So we can have the recurrence also. If we are select recurrence, what can we do, if we want to have this meeting daily basis, like I want this meeting daily, and daily the timing will be what, 10 to 10:30, 30-minute meeting. Or let's say I just want to have this meeting for 15 minutes, not 30 minutes. So I can select from here, and how many times. And after that, here you can see that it starts on Wednesdays only. And here it is starting from 6th of April on Wednesday. And how many times you want to reoccur this meeting. So you can select here that okay, I just want this meeting to occur for 10 days, 5 days, 4 days. Let's say I just want to have this meeting for 4 days only. So if I click OK over here, and save and close from this part, so you can see this meeting being scheduled every day over here in our schedule, that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there is one more thing I will mention. Let's go again to the part, and if I say okay, that's the client meeting. And it is also okay Webex meeting, or you can have Skype meeting, anything, and you just simply put the location. And if you go to the recurrence, what is there, there is an option of weekly, monthly, yearly, daily. These are the options over there. So what you need to do, if we select weekly, so a weekly is selecting Wednesday only, and we want to end it after, let's say 6 occurrence, we want to end it. So simply just select OK from here, and save and close. Then you can see okay, we selected it weekly, and it is the schedule for 1 week only. So what we need to select for this, to show us other meeting times, we just will go only on the month basis. So now you can see that on monthly basis it is showing us that which day we have meeting, and for on the next week, which week we have meeting schedules for that. So that's how we can manage our calendar in Outlook. That is really important to maintain. And the other important part, that if you go to the contacts, you can search the contacts, whoever is in your contacts, contact details over here, you can find it. Whatever will be in your team, you can simply get the information from this. You just type the email address or name, the email address and information will get pop up over here, and you simply can find the email address or location or their time schedule or their calendar from this place. And if you go back to our mail, and the next important thing is how to send email or attach. So there is one thing, that new items, from here. If you want to schedule a Skype meeting, you can schedule the Skype meeting directly from here. Or if you want to send the email, you go to new email and you can send it here. To CC and BCC are the stands for, like here which whom you want to send your email, and to whom you want to send the carbon copies, and to whom you want to send the blind carbon copies. This blind carbon copy means that these two will not be able to see this BCC, and this BCC will be able to see to who else is involved in this email. So you can select importance of the meeting based on the selection of the icon over here. And other than that, if you want to attach a file or you want to attach any item, you just simply can attach from here to this section. And if you want to insert any picture online, offline, or any file, if you go to this section you can attach a file. And if you go to this section you can attach a picture from your computer. If you go to this section online picture, you can simply attach a picture from online. You can insert the equation, you can insert the symbol from here, and you can insert a chart, you can insert a smart art, and shapes also you can insert in the section from here. Let's insert an online picture. If we go to online searching, we simply can say let's have a picture of a flower. Let's have a picture of search it. So you simply can see the flower pictures, and let's select this one. And if we insert it, you see the picture is so big. And if you want to precisely decrease the size, simply go to this section, and you can say, let's say size I want 2, and enter. So it will decrease the size of the picture as per your requirement. And then go to the file message, and just simply you can check if you want to edit the text, or how you want to manage your text chamber here. And you can simply retype the other information along with this picture, or you simply can send this email to the corresponding people over here. So right now we are not sending, just say no. So that's how your Outlook is basically for the mailing section, for calendar maintenance, and for the contact information. And also there are many things in this Outlook that we needed to know, but for today's video I think this much basic information is sufficient. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.